Okay, as you can see, it's in pretty rough shape. The flight through the air did some damage to the lights. I don't even know if they still work. I'll worry about that after I get it all back on there. I'm going to clean this all up. I have some two-way tape to stick everything back on, but right now we're going to give it a little cleaning because, well, it sat in the field for a while and it sat here for a long time. So, all right. Not to mention, it sat up there for several months too, and as you can see, my H pattern has worn off. I didn't do it very well the first time. It was just a hastily way, and it managed to work at the time, but I have a little more permanent solution this time. I'm going to properly paint it on, and hopefully that'll give it a little bit of longevity. Everything is clean, as clean as going to be. I'm going to start working on my painting on my H. I got some masking tape here. Again, I did everything kind of, well, as we sometimes say in Canada, Mickey Mouse. It was fine. It did what I needed it to do. But yeah, it was. So hopefully this time it'll be a little more permanent. I've been procrastinating about this one for quite a while because obviously you can see there's a little bit more involved in what we're doing. So, but today is the day. A little bit of sandpaper to rough up the area, hopefully to help the paint adhere. Okay, next, gotta wipe that clean. I don't happen to have any alcohol. Oh yeah, I do. Maybe this will work. Had this for a year and a half. Boy, I drink a lot. Special color pigment paste, obviously black. Weather resistant. We'll see how that works out. But this is what I could find. Hopefully it'll do the job. It's black. I thought of a spray paint, but again, I needed to make sure it was weather resistant. I didn't want to let it dry. Also, if there's any bleeding through, I might be able to wipe it off before it gets too bad. It's windy. There we go. We have an H. I'm going to let that dry, and I'm going to do some work to my screws, and we'll see if we can make them a little less conspicuous. All right, gonna have to do a little bit of adjustment, but I got my co-pilot here to help me put this up so safely because it is a little windy. So just grab, stay over there, honey. Halfway. Okay. No, done. Thank you. I can do everything from here. All right, no problem. Kapung kap. Say hello. Let's hope the wind doesn't blow it off while I'm trying to put it back together. I have some stronger screws that are a little bit bigger than what I put in there the first time. A little longer, so I will have to re-drill, and hopefully they will be sufficient to keep it on. All right, that's secure it. I'm in the sun here. Normally I wouldn't want to be in the sun working, but it's barely 25 degrees and there's quite a breeze. So anyway, as you can see from the camera, it's not very level. So we're going to see what we can do about that. Well, actually, that sort of settled things, that sort of leveled it off a little bit better right there now, didn't it? Well, let's get the level and we'll find out for sure. I'm okay with that. Let's tighten it up right there and call it done. Move on to the next project. I'm almost going to need my sunglasses. Okay, I've got some two-way tape that I just purchased. I got all the lights basically glued back down. I'm gonna have to do some wiring, but I'm finding it hard to see in the sun here. So I'm going to close it off here and probably work on it tomorrow, because I imagine it's a few hours fiddling around with the wiring and to get everything working again. Well, that wasn't a bad day. It's a little after 12. I feel a nap coming on. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye for now, and remember, don't give up.